The Metcal CV-IOT Gateway module can be connected to a local computer or your network. Once connected, the CV-IOT will collect data on every solder joint. Connecting the CV-IOT to a network is covered in our instruction manual. Download the manual at the URL on your screen, or by scanning the QR code. The next several steps will be used to find your IP address. Type CMD in the search window. Type ipconfig into the command line. Record the IP address. Locate the serial tag on the bottom side of the CV-IOT. Record the MAC address. The following steps will be used to find the IP address of the CV-IOT. Download and install Advanced IP Scanner. Locate the folder, Advanced IP Scanner. Launch Advanced IP Scanner. Type the IP address recorded earlier from the IPC config results into the search window, replacing the last set of numbers with 1-254. Click on Scan. We are looking for the IP address that corresponds to the MAC address on the serial plate of the CV-IOT. Utilizing the search window at the far right side of the Advanced IP search window, type in the MAC address. Record the corresponding IP address. Launch the Metcal CV-IOT software. Click the Admin button. Type admin into the login and password fields. Click Onboarding Devices. Enter from the Advanced IP search the device IP address for the CV-IOT. Enter from the IP config search the server IP address. Click Configure. The software will come back with a message True if the software has been configured correctly. Click Close. Application Upgrade. Click APPLN Upgrade. Connecting the device has been completed. You may now close the onboarding screen. Click Close. The CV-IOT system is now ready to start collecting data.